Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga for You. I'm Grace, and today we're going to do a quick 5-minute chair yoga practice. It's only 5 minutes, but this is great if you're short on time and need to give your mind and your body a little bit of a break and a little bit of love. So find a comfortable chair, a towel or blanket, and let's get started. Now before we get started, I want to remind you that even though this is only 5 minutes, please remain mindful throughout the practice of how your body's feeling. If there's a movement or pose that doesn't feel good to you today, simply return to Tadasana, find your breath, and rejoin us when you're ready. Now we're going to begin in Tadasana, or mountain pose. Palms on your knees. Feel free to soften or close your eyes and find your breath. Neutral spine, lengthen through the crown of the head. Soften your shoulders. Ground through the corners of your feet. Turn your attention away from what you are doing or what you need to do later, and simply observe the natural rhythm of your breath. And whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. We're going to inhale, bring your left arm up overhead, and straighten your right leg out in front of you. Feel free to flex your foot towards you slightly just until you feel a nice stretch down the back of your right leg. And exhale, release. Inhale, right arm up, straighten your left leg out, lengthen through the spine, and exhale, release. And on your next inhale, we're going to bring our right foot across our left leg into pigeon pose. Find a comfortable stretch here. If you need to slide your left foot out slightly or cross your leg all the way over, anywhere in between here where you feel a good stretch. And if you need a deeper stretch, lengthen the spine and hinge at the hips over your legs. Take a few rounds of breath here. Feel a deep opening stretch in your hip. And on your next exhale, release your foot to the ground. Inhale, take it on the other side. Left foot over right leg. Same thing on this side. Explore where it feels comfortable. Notice if it feels any different on this side. And on your next exhale, release your leg to the ground. Now widen your legs as far as is comfortable. And you're going to inhale, arms up. Exhale, left hand to right knee, right hand to back of chair. Lengthen through the spine, soften the belly into a gentle twist to the right. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, right hand to left knee, left hand to back of chair. Gentle twist to the left. And inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms to knees, or turn your knees to shoulder width apart. We're going to take a few seated cat-cow here. On your next exhale, tuck the tummy, round the back into seated cat. Inhale, chest forward, shoulders back. Seated cow. Take a few of these on your own, following your natural breath. Come back to neutral and inhale, arms up as far as is comfortable. And you can stay here, or you can interlace your fingers and flip your palms to face the sky. Either way, lengthen through the spine. Feel stretch in your shoulders and your upper arms. And exhale, release. Inhale, bring your right arm up and over to the left side of your head. Bring your right ear to right shoulder. Make sure you're not pressing down on your head, just a very light pressure. Feel an opening in the left side of your neck. And release. Inhale, left arm up and over. Left ear to left shoulder. And exhale, release. We're going to take 3 sun breaths. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, palms to center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms to center. And one more. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms to center. We're going to repeat that, and you can do it sitting down or you can stand up for this round. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, palms to center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms to center. And one more. Inhale, up. And exhale, palms to center. If you are standing, return to your seat. Bring your palms to your center. We're going to take 1 deep cleansing breath. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you're feeling refreshed and ready to start or jump back into your day. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the bell for more content like this every Monday and Thursday. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon.